Look at this colorful, flavorful bowl of goodness. The sweet potato with hung curd salad is healthy. Its dressing is quite different from all other salads in texture as well as flavor. Easy, creamy potato salad with hung curd is a healthier version of this classic side dish. Hung curd adds extra protein and the luscious texture you crave. It's not just delicious, it's packed with fiber, keeping you full for longer and made with absolutely healthy ingredients, so you can enjoy it guilt-free. Let's dive right in. Let's start with one sweet potato, peeled and cut into long wedges. Sweet potatoes are an amazing source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're great for your gut health and available all year round. Now, heat up a pan and add just a touch of oil. Remember, we're keeping this light and healthy. Cook the sweet potato wedges on medium heat until they're soft and tender. Season with a pinch of black pepper and kosher salt to bring out that natural sweetness. Now for a twist, add shredded desiccated coconut. This not only gives a lovely texture but adds fiber, making this salad even healthier. Once the sweet potatoes are beautifully cooked, transfer them onto a plate and set them aside. It's time to whip up a dressing that's going to take this salad to the next level. Chop up one small onion. I like using sweeter red onions for that burst of flavor in every bite. Now, let's add some heat with half a jalapeno, finely chopped. Don't worry, it's low in calories, high in fiber, and adds just the right kick. Next, toss in one garlic clove for that earthy depth. Season onion and garlic mixed with black pepper and salt to taste. To balance the heat, add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup for a natural sweetness and 2 tablespoons of olive oil for that smooth finish. A sprinkle of fresh parsley ties it all together. Mix it well and set it aside. For the creamy base, we're using 1 bowl of hung curd or Greek yogurt. It's high in protein, helping you feel fuller for longer. Add a dash of black pepper and salt to taste and mix it all up. Time to assemble. Spread that creamy hung curd onto a plate. It's going to be the perfect base for our fresh, vibrant toppings. Take 1 cucumber, cut it in half, and grate it into thin slices. Layer these cool, crisp slices over the hung curd. Next, place those beautifully cooked sweet potato wedges on top. And finally, drizzle that sweet, spicy, tangy dressing over the top. Look at those colors already, so vibrant and inviting. The combination of creamy, crunchy, and tender textures is everything. This sweet potato and hung curd salad isn't just different, it's a game changer. With soft sweet potatoes, creamy hung curd, and crunchy cucumber, it's a delicious mix of textures and flavors. Try it out and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!